Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are fine and you are doing well and you are practicing the question related to the use of quadratic formula. We continue this exercise with part 5. In this, a quadratic equation is given, but this is not in standard form. So first of all, we have to convert it into standard form. That is 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, we compare this equation by standard quadratic equation. Comparing this equation by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is 6, value of b is minus 7, and value of c is minus 3 by the comparison. Value of a is 6, value of b is minus 7, and value of c is minus 3. By using quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. According to this formula, we put the values in this formula. We have minus 7 plus minus under root minus 7 square, the value of b, minus 4 into the value of a is 6 into the value of c, that is minus 3. Whole divided by 2 into the value of a is 6. In the next step we have minus into minus plus 7 plus minus square minus 7 square is equal to 49. As square of minus is plus, so 7 square is equal to 49. Minus plus 4 6 are 24. 24 3 are 72. Under root whole divided by 2 6 are 12. We move to the next step. X is equal to 7 plus minus 49 plus 72 is equal to 121 square root whole divided by 12. 7 plus minus square root of 121 is 11 over 12. As we have rational number in numerator, therefore we have two possibilities. Now there are two possibilities. One is x is equal to 7 plus 11 over 12, and the second is x is equal to 7 minus 11 over 12. The first root we have 7 plus 11, 18 over 12. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. We have 3 over 2. We reduce to the shortest. 7 minus 11 is equal to minus 4 over 12. We reduce to the shortest form by dividing 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. We have minus 1 over 3 as second root. Thus, solution set of the part 5 is 3 over 2 and minus 1 by 3. That's it for the part 5. Let's do the part 6, in which the quadratic equation is already in the standard form. So therefore we compare it in the first step. Comparing this equation by standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have the value of a is equal to 3, value of b is equal to 8, and value of c is equal to 2. A is quadratic coefficient, b is linear coefficient, and c is constant term. So we have these values by using quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula, and that formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root over 2a. We put the values minus 8 plus minus 8 square, the value of b, minus 4, the value of a is 3, value of c is 2, whole divided by 2 into value of a, which is 3. Simplify it, minus 8 plus minus 8 square is 64, minus 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24, under root over 2 3 is 6. We move to the next step. X is equal to minus 8 plus minus 64 minus 24 is equal to 40 divided by 6. As 40 is such a number which can be resolved, we find its prime factor. For this, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 5 1s are. We write its prime factors in square root. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 5s are 40, whole divided by 6. The 2 is written in pair, that can be cancelled by the square root. We have minus 8 plus minus 2 square and 2 5s are 10, which cannot be resolved further, divided by 6. Minus 8 plus minus under root 2 square into under root 10 by the use of property of square root. Square is cancelled by square root. We have minus 8 plus minus 2 under root 10 over 6. Taking as common from numerator, we have x is equal to 2 is taken common, minus 4 plus minus under root 10 whole divided by 6. 2 1s are and 2 3s are 6. The value of x will be equal to minus 4 plus minus under root 10 divided by 3. As this is an irrational number, so therefore we write this as a unit in a solution set. Thus, solution set is minus 4 plus minus under root 10 over 3. That's it for the part 6.